Hello and good evening, everyone. My name is Sayed Firdaus, and I have done BE Computer Engineering from Kalsipur College. And today I'm going to share this presentation with you, in which it explains the Excel capstone project. And this is nothing but a report on it. So, without further ado, let's get started. Students' adaptability level to online lectures. Now, you may think, why this project? Because this is the latest topic which we are discussing right now in every sector. Because there is offline classes, there is online classes, but mostly due to this COVID situation, we are mostly doing online lectures. And as they said, the fourth wave is also going to hit. So online lectures, we better get used to it, and instead of seeing it as a taboo. So what are the factors affecting it? It's the factors are gender, age, education level, institution level, IT student, location, load shedding, financial condition, internet type, network type, class duration, self LMS, device adaptability, and these all factors determine the adaptability of a student. So, in order to make this dashboard, we have used pivot tables and pivot charts, and also we have used some raw data, and that raw data, courtesy, I have got it from Kaggle data sets. All right, so let's get started. Problem statement. So these are some of the problems which I encountered while making this project, and hopefully we'll be able to solve this by making the following charts. What is the adaptability level of boys and girls according to their age? Does devices play a role in online education? Is having an IT background and aided school helps? How does a well-to-do family impacts their child's education? Also, the area they live in, does it have an impact? Is having a desktop or a laptop helps in online studies? What type of connection is best suitable for the students? How many students use which device, say mobile, laptop, or desktop? How many students use which data, mobile or Wi-Fi? What is the total of poor, mid, and rich students? So let's get started. So first of all, the adaptability level of boys and girls, here we have divided, and we have used color coded system for that. Red is for boys and orange is for girls. So here the age groups has been divided into 16 to 20, 21 to 25, 26 to 30, and starting from 1st November 2015, and also from 1st May 2022, and also we have 6th October 2022. These are the children which are born from that, uh, you could say that. And the highest adaptability level for boys is 265 in the age group 21 to 25. Okay. And for girls, it is 169 in age group 16 to 20. So I hope this solves some of the problem statements which we mentioned earlier. Age with education devices, education level and devices. So education level is university, school, and college, and the count of devices which they have. So the highest is 353, and the lowest is they have in school, and the lowest is 22. So this was about there. Okay. IT student with class duration and institution type. Obviously, which type of institute you are studying, whether it is a government or non-government, it does have an impact because of the facilities that a student might get in such an institute. So we have taken that point as well into account. If a student is from IT background, then handling the technical aspects of an online setup is not such a huge task for him or her, because he might know when to turn on the camera, turn off the camera, mute and unmute himself, and do the volume setup and everything. So that's how pretty much students do only these 2 3 tasks which I have mentioned. So that's why it's not that difficult for an IT student. But for a non-IT student, it becomes quite a challenge, right? So 590 students from government, non-government sector are are non-IT. Okay, no, here means no. And 311 students are from IT government sector. Therefore, their adaptability towards online teaching differs. All right. Next is financial condition with load shedding and location. Load shedding means how much in a day your like electricity is coming and going on and off. So basically, load shedding, here we have two parameters: count of load shedding and the financial condition. If a person is rich, so obviously a load shedding won't be a problem in their location because they might have backup power supply, so that's not an issue for them. Also, they might be not be living in some rural, if even if they are living in some urban areas, not urban area, some rural area, they might have backup, so load shedding won't be a problem for them. So there are total 4 rich students here, and mediocre students are 199. Okay, and 679 students affect from load shedding and are from middle class. Okay, this type of graph it is called as line graph. Now, which type of data is a student using with what type of internet, whether it is 2G, 3G, or 4G, right? So 14 students use 2G data, all right, and the maximum amount of number 428 students use 4G data, which is Wi-Fi, and 334 students use mobile data, which is 3G. So these are some of the information which we got from line bar graph, not line graph. Finally, here comes the showdown where I'll introduce my dashboard. So I have introduced some of the filters here, and if I click on it, they accordingly the dashboard will behave. And in that's it. That's about it. And before that, I have introduced explained each one of these graphs individually. So that's it from my end. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.